What's your problem, buddy? Come on, take a seat.
I'm so hungry. They are treating me badly. What do you mean? I'm upset cause Moon keeps stealing my food.
Mon suddenly took the donut I was eating.
Hey, give me that donut.
Cola, please. Coming right up. Thanks for the drink, little
I
guy.
bought a Coke. Saw that
Nice.
Mon was there.
Hey.
I moved to another park, but he followed me there. Mon and his friend grabbed me